Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a loop stitch. I'm working on a Highland cow snuggler, and right now I'm adding its fluffy hair or fur. So here's how we do it. Insert your hook into the next stitch as usual. Then, bring the working yarn to the front of your work, extending it approximately 5 inches, 12.7 centimeters, to form a loop. Hold this loop in place and complete a single crochet in the next stitch, securing the loop. If your loops come out too long, don't worry. Just frog it and try again until you get the perfect fluff. And look at this adorable cow now. I just love how soft and shaggy it looks. I sell this pattern on Etsy, and if you'd like it in French or German, you can also find it on Crazy Patterns. Check the links and happy crocheting!